apps affairs show you.
Delete a single Instagram photo from a post. So as you can see, I've uploaded multiple photos into a single post. And now, for example, I want to delete this photo from this album or post. Here's how to do it. First of all, tap on this three dot, tap on edit, and now you have to select that photo that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this photo from this post. All you have to need here at the top left corner, you will get this little delete icon. Tap on that and tap on delete. And as you can see, I've successfully deleted a single Instagram photo from the post. The same way, you will be able to delete multiple photos from a post. Once done, just tap on done and your post will be saved. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.